Okay, today we have a fire barrel. This one was a pain in the arse. It come in with all the capacitors missing, so I had to replace all of those. Coming with a partial ROM set of Dream Soccer, wasn't even complete, missing some sound ROMs and other ROMs. And all new ROMs fitted. And also it had a bad PLD. That one. What a bastard to find. Okay, let's fire it on. Yes, Colin, I'm very sorry about yesterday. As you know, this place is leaking, and it was heavy raining, so I was stuck pretty much all night pissing about with pots of water of stuff leaked from the roof. It was not fun. So give me a call later if you want, or I'll give you a call in a bit, but this should make up for it. Excellent. Well, there we go. That was a tricky one, but at least it's finished now. A lot of work on that. Sweet. Cheers.